You don't have those kind of jobs.
Let me get serious about what
I'm listening.
Yeah, so asem number baby sound ne kwepe na me here. Take it or leave it.
What is it?
I'm going you marry. Na me take down na so me 1 or 2 projects be. But I'm steady who say we join a job. No kwa share my continue room on.
No every day and no now home me call hope you are there man just that in here be no hard feelings be attached.
Abenaa once a thief. It's
a proverb. I attach it to my brabo. Until case once a thief is always a thief. There are men case no. Me nkofa obi boy and ase me nkoji obi kunu ma won huye. So what is this proverb for? Once a thief is what? Always a thief, but I'm not a thief.
Okay, fine.
Me padi am catch you say me padi. What are your insinuations? Oh, friend, me say, Ubebusa me send be baseless or bibisa. Now don't do that because you say Momaa madam for. I can't say me neni kunu kwa deda na say bibisa. If that's what you thinking, it's never true. It's not true too.
So what I say, me kasa be ribena o kind of cry. It's a little bit proof say the meya jene no ana de mi susu no. It is halfway through. Halfway through life. Okay, say. See, me there. I wouldn't go straight to the point, but the catch on say honestly I did beg. My mommy who say oh call me I continue more.
Your sister is out from the country and so I'm here. Even though say will be attacking me na mabefia, but it may say buani kunu.
Fine.
Because it say no, me here to say the Momaa ya mano. And to say me ra wa konta dem ho no me say me ni koye bibia na say bibisa. You don't even know the friendship meaning Stunna me no abuild it.
Debut me commenter say I don't know what show. How many days? How long?
Oh, see who? Oh, Befi hanum say anaka say obepe baby adan. Me me kana make a chest na say ofe say oda guest room. Let's pray for you. Oba afia me no aduane amema.
O ma me bi. Come so. But points na me person me proving it.
And a point now I will proving it na make sure say point now will proving a baseless. Don't even have this kind of conversation with me. At the end of the day I can't snatch my own best friend's husband. Me yes sad you know. Into the show with you free with him. I don't like that. Me just say bia be friend me about my pastor say oh over if and I'm being friendly, I'm being jovial. You will pay bia me yama. Not to disappoint someone maybe have this kind of conversation that me and you I control room so that means that there is something like he's pinning me or what. And for me Susa and
the point the fact say it's perfect.
I'm not going to tolerate that from you. When you're little, be in your lane. You're a little boy, be in your lane. And they may have that kind of little boy. Yes, well, now you say, you were saying.
Of course, but then my sister, I'm all grown.
So that means our brains are deep. So you have the guts to come and talk to me.
Straight.
Say, don't know sister Kasana.
Straight.
You know what?
About it. Fine, we didn't find on Tunchen. What you say, BBN fine.
BBN men kase mature will say, I'm telling you the gospel truth.
My sister Bano betu say BBC or honoma I no go talk some give you.
Oh sister no or hokrana meet na nekunas because we have this cordiality in us. So what I on our oba na be church in same one, on be church in same. Just when you have beard, one die with it, so no organ. You be the pussy, no me. The name is Abenaa. Whatever you do, I'll give you the sun is still scorching. And I my baby Jana can't see me because I mean what's here. You wanna cross your limits on my side. Okay, who does that?
Cool down.
Be in your lane.
Cool down now, Charlie. And why is sexy also?
Look at him. Mema is sexy.
Sweet.
In two parts saying.
Move now, come on.
I'll go back. You must have Mississippi.
Come on, we'll be BBC.
My body is not for puppies, it's for dogs. And hey, if you want to have a conversation with me, don't call me in your court. Because if you call me in your court, I'm done with this.
They showed you, me then you did one house.
Your food is at the kitchen.
Me then you did one house, they told me this, you go see for a year. Me one and corner the way media. Me already make from the time when I'm a ball to one corner. To me chill there, papa one side crowd be auntie.
You have to talk to your brother-in-law. No, let me talk my truth. Me say I know a friend. He wants to have a conversation with me, and I'm saying, yeah, go on. I know me say will come a contact room on to what is going on. I'm saying, what are you talking about? Are you okay? Me come a contact room on man, me kwaya dey na man, nothing else. Me no wakonta relationship na way intem no. Just friendly relationship with no hard feelings. I feel the one latcha sama bo ma aduna ma na me kwa ode ne nsa betu misisi na me sidin. No feeling you say den.
Listen.
Ada ohun say me ya tro ho agu me mama so ana say obia na oba ba be pe me ana say obia na me ja me ho ama. I don't do stuff like that. Let me talk.
If you know it now. See me. When you say about me ma be this uncommon na mama me ma born adwene. So what I say. Into born adwene ni kwan so over de ne nsa so osisi no. Na nka say open so ma no. Oh sir, normally we say there be untimi mpene ba because unua yede unua ketwa
no ordinance abetu misisi na yeden
I
value my body.
You have to play.
I'm a woman. Oh. I value my body. Into you bia na o say me fa me nsam on fa nsam be attach me. So what I say. And after all, he's a little boy. A boy I've fed before. A boy I made dry in the pen. My son inside the school. No, say Baba Berry. What are you talking about? You know what? Me name the entire mummy and person piss me this very afternoon. I'm done with this conversation. Everybody in this house. I'm sick and tired. Baby, I am back. If some people don't know their limits in this house, and they have to learn to know their limits in this house. I'm here for
you. Sit down and conclude the assembly.
Huh? Now who Baba catch up and say, what are you talking about?
Just sit
you down. And how many times am I mouth to me? Dan or no?
Just sit down. Trust. I said my back. Oh, Castle, who can how many times? What did I have no more? What's your son? I didn't ask him about one trouble me and Castle. Now, pro. The solution opens any other this year.
I don't know because me overreacted towards him, so I don't know. We name the baby because I overstay in this house.
The overstay and sister, Felicity and sister, and sister so.
But you have to man up.
See me.
So you and I, meaning any sister near is Steve.
Hey.
So man up and sack him from this house, or else.
Or else there.
I'll go to the police and report both of us there. Yeah. Causing me that case.
My brother report.
All right.
My brother report.
Let's see how it goes. You try my patience. Today is to do.
Just come here. Come. Okay. I'll find you some messages first.
Better hurry up.
Yeah, in Pamunim Fifiano. But no, to was not in a rush way.
Don't tell me means me companion.
A bassa, a nibbe bound your mom. The
earlier the better.
This one's to me, she black, me, Buswami, me, go inside the room and go and wait for me. You are looking beautiful. Trust me, I like the dress.
I'm not in the mood. I'm just going to
can't
relax.
Just tell me.
Wahami and I'm a migraine now, so.
We are not cheating.
I don't care. You cheated on your wife with me. So when we come on cheater, that's you.
Say cheating and there. What do you? Yeah. Do you be Sanya Dibi? Sanya Dibi Bell. The audio be Sanya Dibi Bell.
Do I care?
What do you want?
One
here, and room money because of work on you.
I see. Are we married? We're not.
And I'm saying,
we're just having fun.
We're having fun.
Yes. And because of a woman and coming met now, they share our places to have a fun. It's what I can say. And also, be the baby. That's you. That's your life. So when Kwabontia come give not to one the area to Korea, that is up to you.
Yeah, I like your legs.
Excuse me if you're compliment.
I'm coming.
I said I want to be going to sleep.
Oh, boy, so never already so. Obey, I'm not in the mood. And when I'm dating me stress, so hey, go down, I'm in burial.
Stunna, Abenaa, no so until I say some better nephew home.
Hey boy,
my cabia, the men's happy family woman, I do cram, a sinner, so my man of horse, and so still now, so my moments now.
Oh boy, Abenaa. Me see my met nephew ho. Na won to. What eh? Na hu aba hu nyina no. Me met nephew ho na won to.
Na dey say me time kra na say oni aketo na abafie oni ni aba mu aketo bi na me so ne nsade ni kosu den times no. Na dey ni na wanyini no. Akoda da ni tinyina.
Aba nephew ho.
Eh say the nickname the posse you.
Oba pa de ho.
Ono no ba ya ai obepa adwuma bi nti obe spend some days bi honom na okon so wa spend abrocho. 2 days no kai no. Was spend your bros.
For no ni nua no mum abafie ho. E na me ama wo ade fe sei. Ah wote ho anopa awie anwumre no. Me abafie so ma me ma.
Ura kitchen ananimu nie. Me for so amanimu nie na me se aden. Me the make no team sana no me wo ho nsa no afrem me no won komo me ko ya ai me de me ho na wuwura te say the adana me ka che no I would asu wuwura ho me dem sister ba me ka che me sister ba na so hey sister ba be ka de na
che free here ba
ade mi wura ho no te say me ye e wo dem ho no ma na evidence be na kita ho ade aboy ni me o fio my fio cry from me dem person sister
eh me mu me ba ho si fie na from me mu me ba ho no ma be tu na free ho hwe efie atimi efie wura se ne be ba wo pa mo yen
and my sister was here and my sister be bad ben and I'm say my sister go Dubai one find a cheap uncle and at least one find a cheap uncle WhatsApp call the offer or say ba god damn trouble the mommy with you
was yale so wo yale a me ba wa ma ne ho ato no o be free fie ho emfie okunu mate ye be ba ho wa fie ya ye de ma nsu oto na enyunu ye nyina efie wura se wo je ne be ba
Africa Stunna and you da pana so Afera yeah me no me baba rapper I'm a one say yes because yes one na yesu ni me din komo I wanna if buy am catch and say if ha no koha yesu ka say Nseni fashion na bonkum. Help. Mangana from Ghana. Oh, Afghanistan. And me oda masaso ntira Wana me call for aeroplane no. Me call yen na me call rapport ya. Na pilot no ka say be aeroplane twi. Na me ka say me ntwi. Me oda masaso and I used to catch me say, having gates in the house. It's me, because you know, and I'm caught now having gates now. Now me say, but transportation way. Transportation. Aguna jamasi, tafu. Aguna jamasi, tafu. Ha. Poof. Be the anthem. Hey. Shakala. Bakala shakala
ahe ne yankwa tena Abenaa enti me be fie ho me no nua no ama ho ato what dey make
say be 2 against 1 onu mom na beko
ai me si wo beko aso what dey say posse mo mpa poki
oye kwa yemfa nka list no ne nka na no
si wo safe si wa jibedi
because pressure no dey man me ofron dey me ntumi afi dey wi ase ne say opemi ofilim no dey nsa to sisi echi na dwuma me de me man according to me nyabotre bie mu chen say
Judy
oh size ne wan
man hu say me na me wo
obi a medware wo da so nsa de wo ko school person obe pin me waiting you dey craze abeg come off from my face
ye Abenaa safe di wo safe wo say wo say be fie
so crowd here
so say be fie mo no dey say won pe ba bi entena me Abenaa ma me ba
don't worry
what
me de manu aka e de mayase aka be ma no wantie intenem de be fa baby kokochi adwene me se
krem ya na me chi mama sa me se da na me menye bibia me se da na me o ma me menye bibia ma what
wo koye nso wo chi ma na de tole ayi no crowd lock no na me de akoto hwitemu e ho de so mo ntwe
se yanzo ma kire
man ho ne etwe hwitemu de ye
se ma kire wo me se je bibia ma me na menye adwuma no no wasa akofa ni miana ba besi wasa na my sister my fault sister no hen obi fa no ba
kana bibia to na kwanso a wo banana no krokosa apotoro den so me roro no tunefo
no kura de
na no a me yi ne ka wo fie ho
se na no me ka kire no
na be ma na me tene so no nim se wo na atiepia me te ko se me megene
na no se me ka kire no se na no so anhwe ni ya na dumi no na di kire ni nyina ma o me ka kire se so anhwe ni ya me dumi no na di kire ni nyina ma o eti ma wone no ate
be na fie rent mu wadwuma tade no wasi asensa no sa obi fie papare afrete ye
e be de Abenaa wo se wo de me ka kire me se wanu me de wo fie wonu wanu antum
eti da do pon
na dumi no
Mommy. Mommy. Oh, Mommy, I can hear you talk here. I'm fine. Yeah, everything is fine. Except for my cyst. Yeah.
Munyame. Almost me pay for me. Me pay for me. One course it damage. I'm going.
Nah, Mommy. No. No, I can't take an extra course, Mommy. No go fit. Mommy, na projects na me and kwame nwie was as me take another extra course. There Mommy share. And then kai bia sister kra wa hakran ko nti ase. Ona no, Mommy, still am nyantin in count. I make catch I account cross and ko friend kra na me ne kasa kra na ko problem. Honestly, what I don't like what is going on in this house, Mommy. Seriously, you need to come here to come and see what is happening here. Ajuma kra me say no fear kra na me ntia say no cause all these works necessary na say case ajuma we now. Okay, sure. Mommy. I really miss you, Charlie. Seriously, Mommy. There are some things we are so what me do when you be shebe wa hand we see because our friends are there some.
Yenti ususu swampa so wa bafia. Na wo sister. Wonte ne nka wo fon so. Na wonya bibi. Ada wonya be ma na.
Nyese me nya be ma. My own bibi, but I mean pese me go beyond my limit. On say me ba hanum say no. Me ba no boko ana honestly me ni prove bia me de be say me koye ni gidigidi ana say at least me ne o masusun say on commuting kan come me so maintaining come on so kan. I don't know why who put it to me say me nya be man.
Debbie swaba. Ana me boss say otu kwan na me say otu kwan.
So otu kwan.
Otu kwan. Waka just wa friend to oni e be gina ne ngasada.
Onye bida.
Aba. Ape wo twede. Ko bo ne pressure na ka jenzo on flow system ma wonte ne nka.
4 point. 4 point ba.
What? Point. Na wo tete hasa, won to system kana wo tete hasa na wo didi. Don mani aduane. Kwa ne nchana ne no kukasa. Ukwa mu